Let's not make it complicated.
Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to download Adobe Photoshop Touch, I mean PS Touch, which I have using in my videos to make thumbnails or logo or text. So without getting it, let's get into a video. So first of all, like and subscribe my channel and open up your browser. So guys, I am using here Google. Now tap on it and write download Adobe Photoshop Touch and search it. So in my mobile guys, the new Adobe Photoshop version is not working, so I have downloaded the older version. And if in your phone the newer version is not working, you can download the older version. So now you wanna go to this website Softonics and click on Adobe Photoshop Touch. So make sure to guys like and subscribe, and we have to go to the another lap of our goal, 100 subs. So please share it and like. Don't forget to like. You are watching but don't liking my video, please, so help me guys. So now just click this download, and then just go to continue to download. And guys, it will start downloading. My internet is little slow, but it's fine guys. After it will start downloading. And thanks for watching my video. So make sure to watch my previous video also, and like and subscribe. And again, assalamu alaikum beautiful people.